Is the question, right? So what we'll do, first we'll do left hand side part wise. Left hand side, right side will be extra. So left hand side is what? 1 plus sec of a by sec a. 1 plus sec a by, what is this? Sec a. So what we'll do here, we'll convert it. 1 plus sec means what? 1 by cos a. What we have learned before, right? Again, sec a means what? 1 by cos only. Correct? What we have learned before. Correct? In place of sec, we can write 1 by cos, or 1 by cos means sec. Okay. Then, what is the LCM of the upper part? Upper part LCM is what? Upper part LCM is cos a. Correct? So you have here 1. So 1 cos a is a cos a, then plus 1. Is it clear? And here 1 by cos a is there. You can see something can be cancelled here. Cos a cancel with cos a. Can you tell me what remains here? Can you tell me, Paros, what remains here? Tell me first what remains. Everything get cancelled. 1 is useless to write. What remains here? Tell me first. Yes? Paros, what remains here? Yes. Yes, this one remains. Yes, yes. This one get cancelled. 1 cancels. So what remains? Only upper one remains. That is 1 plus cos a. Okay? Yes? Yes, Bhavana? Bhavana? Yes or no? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is our left hand side, correct? So left hand side is done. Left hand side is done. Now come for right hand side. Now come for right hand side. Right hand side is what? Sin square a by 1 minus cos a. So sin square by 1 minus cos a. Just before we have learned how to convert the sin square a. Do you remember that identity was there? What is the identity? Sin square a plus sin square plus cos square equal 1 was there. And in place of sin square, what can you write? 1 minus cos square can be written. So in place of sin square can be written 1 minus cos square a can be written. Correct? So here we have 1 minus cos a. Is it clear? Yes? Okay, good. Now, this one is 1 means 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So this is a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square means what? A plus b. A plus b whole into a minus b. Okay? And denominator is 1 minus cos a. Is it clear? Can you cancel something? Can you cancel something? Yes, good. 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a cancel. So what remains here? 1 plus cos a. Now see, check the left hand side. What did we get? 1 plus cos a. Check the right hand side. 1 plus cos a. Is it equal? Both sides? Yes. Yes. So both sides are equal. Therefore, we'll write left hand side equal with right hand side. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes,
very good.
yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay, now we'll do Roman 6. 5 we'll do later on. It's too long because we have only 5 minutes now, or 4 minutes only this session. Question number 6 you see. 5 you can try also, no problem if you want to try. So 6 we have, question number Roman 6 we have 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, and they're asking to get here, asking to prove here sec a plus tan a. Okay, yes, is it okay? Now see all of you. So this is our left hand side. This is our left hand side. This is our target. Okay, this is the goal. So what you'll do now? See, in class 9 you have learned how to rationalize the denominator. Now the same technique will be used here also. So 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Now we have to multiply inside the square root only, whatever you want to do. So we have to cancel this square root, right? So we have the denominator 1 minus sin a. So we're going to multiply here by the opposite term. That means 1 plus sin a. Okay. Whatever time we have multiplied denominator, the same time will be coming with where? Numerator also. Yes. Is it clear? So we have to check the denominator. Denominator is what? 1 minus sin a is there. We used to multiply by that's opposite. Correct? So here 1 minus sin a is there. That side 1 plus sin a will come. Since the denominator is 1 plus sin a, here also 1 plus sin a will be multiplying. Is it clear? Yes. So the next step, what will happen here? You can see denominator is what? A minus b whole into a plus b. That means a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Finished? A square minus b square. And upper one is what? 1 plus sine a whole into 1 plus sine a means 1 plus sine a whole square. Correct? And 1 square means what? 1 square means 1 only. And just before we have learned sine square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. And in that case, if I take sine square that side, so if I take sine square that side, what will get? Sine square that side means what? 1 minus sine square. That means 1 in place of 1 minus sine square theta. What can you write? Can you write cos square theta? Yes, you can write. So what you'll write here? In place of 1 minus sine square theta, you can write what? Cos square theta. Any doubt? This is the thing. This is the identity. What we have learned in the last class. So here we have 1 plus sine a whole square. After this, what we will get? Because there is square root. If the square is there, this square will get cancelled with these squares. So what remains here? What remains here? Only remains here 1 plus sine a by what? Cos a. The squares are get cancelled here, right? Yes. Now each term will be divided by the denominator. That means 1 by cos a by sine a by cos a. Yes, yes. And 1 by cos means, I told you just before, 1 by cos means sec a plus sine by cos means what? Sine by cos means tan a. And you can check, is it the right hand side? Check once. Is it the right hand side? Pavana? Yes or no?